Today we are in Panama, a land of contrasts and connections. Known as a land divided, a world united, Panama bridges two oceans and two continents, blending nature, history, and modern marvels. From the legendary Panama Canal to the vibrant streets of Casco Viejo, lush rainforests, and pristine beaches, Panama is a destination like no other. Join us as we explore the heart of Central America, where culture thrives, adventures await, and stories come alive. Welcome to Panama.
This is 1917. She appeared to 3 kids.
Panama is a small yet remarkable country at the crossroads of the Americas, nestled between Costa Rica and Colombia. With coastlines on both the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, it boasts diverse geography ranging from tropical rainforests and pristine beaches to volcanic highlands. Its biodiversity is extraordinary, with rich ecosystems supporting countless species of plants and animals. Culturally, Panama is a vibrant mosaic of influences. Indigenous groups like the Guna, Embra, and Ngay Bugle preserve ancient traditions, while the Spanish colonial legacy is evident in the architecture and language. African, Caribbean, and modern global influences also enrich its music, cuisine, and festivals. The lively city of Panama blends skyscrapers with historic neighborhoods, while rural areas offer a glimpse into traditional life. Panama's history is shaped by its strategic location, serving as a hub for trade, migration, and cultural exchange for centuries. From pre-Columbian times to Spanish rule and modern independence, its story is one of resilience and transformation, making it a true gateway to the world.
Water just from gravity from the higher level, then it goes to the lower level. The water in front of us is 100% fresh water.
The Panama Canal is a 50-mile engineering marvel connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Opened in 1914, it revolutionized global trade by saving ships thousands of miles of travel. Using a system of locks, it raises and lowers vessels across the Isthmus of Panama, showcasing both innovation and ingenuity. Today, it's a symbol of Panama's role as a global
floated locks, where we can observe this vessel, which is located at the far lane upper lock chamber under the elevation process to reach the level of Lake Miraflores, which is the body of water out there to the right. The vessel came from the Pacific sea level out there to the left, Pacific Ocean, where there's one more ship in the approach doing the entry right now. So we're really lucky this morning. Visible ships at this very moment. Let's see Panama Canal action in the locks. Like these locks in the Pacific in the other end, crossing the mountain range on the right, which is part of the continental divide. We have the Atlantic 40-45 miles away in the other side, where we have other locks. This vessel later on this afternoon will go down back to sea level in the Atlantic. Morning right here are going up. El buque en movimiento, great trains on either side of the ship. They're assisting the vessel to keep it steady in the middle of the walls to do not hit them. And they assist when braking as well. However, the ship uses some power to move on at all times. A propósito sobre que está delante de la embarcación. Well, shortly we'll see the ship going up. In order to make this possible, we have the centenary one. Right after 110 years, is still successfully operational.
The Panama Canal is an engineering masterpiece that reshaped global trade. Initially attempted by the French in the late 19th century, their efforts were thwarted by tropical diseases like malaria and yellow fever and insurmountable technical challenges. The United States took over in 1904, employing advanced techniques for the time, including the lock system, which raises and lowers ships 85 feet above sea level to cross the Isthmus of Panama. The construction involved cutting through the Culebra Cut, a major excavation challenge, and creating the artificial Gatun Lake, which became a key water source for the canal's operations. More than 56,000 workers contributed to the project, which officially opened in 1914, revolutionizing global shipping by reducing the journey between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans by 8,000 nautical miles. In 2016, the canal saw a major upgrade with the opening of the expanded Panama Canal. New locks, called the Agua Clara and Cocoli locks, now allow the passage of larger vessels, known as Neo-Panamax ships, nearly tripling its capacity. Today, the canal handles over 14,000 transits annually, cementing its place as a cornerstone of global commerce and a testament to human ingenuity.
He vowed to do the same thing in Panama. He could dam the Chagres. Ships would sail across Panama on a lake. The Americans wouldn't need to dig through the entire country. Stevens would build stair steps of water on either side to raise ships to the lake. Locks had been built before, but never on such a colossal scale. They would still have to cut through the western mountains, but not as deeply as the French.
Pedro Miguel, the pouring of the concrete took place over there on August 24th, 1909. You see the big stamp on the building of the locks.
Panama is a haven for wildlife and nature lovers. Its rainforests, national parks, and coastal ecosystems host an incredible array of species, from howler monkeys and sloths to vibrant toucans and over 1,000 species of orchids. The tropical landscapes, including pristine beaches and volcanic highlands, offer endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Beyond its natural beauty, Panama is rich in traditional art and crafts. Indigenous communities like the Guna create molas, intricate hand-stitched textiles that tell cultural stories. The Embra are known for their exquisite woven baskets and carved wooden masks. These crafts, along with colorful festivals and music, reflect the diverse heritage of Panama, blending nature, tradition, and artistic expression in a truly unique way. Panama is a truly unique destination, offering something for every traveler. It's the only country in the world where you can watch both the sunrise and sunset from the same coast, thanks to its position between the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Its coastline is equally diverse, from the bustling beaches of the Pacific to the serene shores of the Caribbean. The country's blend of modern and colonial infrastructure, especially in the capital, Panama City, is a testament to its dynamic growth. The vibrant culture mixes indigenous, Afro-Caribbean, and Spanish influences, creating a colorful mosaic that is reflected in everything from architecture to music and food. With a well-connected international airport, Panama is easy to explore, while its vast green cover, stretching all the way to the border with South America, including the infamous Darien Gap, invites nature lovers and adventurers. Whether you're here for history, nature, culture, or adventure, Panama is a destination that truly has it all. From the serene Pearl Islands to the cloud forests of Boquete, Panama is full of hidden gems. Explore the colorful streets of Portobello, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or the picturesque islands of Bocas del Toro, where nature meets adventure. Whether hiking through the Baru volcano or relaxing on the beaches of Santa Catalina, Panama offers unforgettable experiences at every turn. Discover the true heart of Central America, Panama, where every corner holds something extraordinary.
the man behind the voice of Panama Canal.
Hey, pleasure having with us. We invite you to come out here any day, baby. We're out here for you, okay?
All right.
24/7.
Thank you.
North Africa, the movies. Portugal, Middle East. They're all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movies.
Okay.